ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ದೇವ.
ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಕ್ಕೆ 1.5 ಹಾಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋರ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು.
Topper. Just because of her notes we are getting pass.
Full wrong information, guys. I only told the sections wrong.
The exam starts now.
It was good, but there was so much to write.
Our seniors.
Guys, how was your exam?
It was good.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಣ?
ಮತ್ತೇನೋ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ಏನೋ ಬೇಕು.
It was a very lengthy paper.
Always, as usual.
As usual, the company law was very lengthy. No, everything was.
Everything is lengthy in law.
Everything is lengthy in law, okay?
How
That's
was?
how Purnima says it.
Oh.
That's how Purnima says it.
They know me. Okay, you tell me, how was your exam?
Guys, I forgot debentures.
They don't know what is debentures.
I forgot debentures. That was the very first topic I read in company law fourth year. And I forgot that. Rest all I remembered. And Chumma I wrote something and I came. So, we'll wait for KSLU results.
Which is second
No
exam?
matter how good you write or how bad you write, it's all your fate. KSLU decides it. So it doesn't matter.
Hello, ma. Come to my law.
Guys, the last video was cut because she had no storage in her phone. So I have to do the post again.
ನನ್ನ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಡ. So we are standing in front of our college and roasting KSLU about, and what is that? We are roasting law also. But what I feel,
But
law
life is roasting us, guys.
yeah.
And a law, it's not like that. The subject I've studied till today is not gonna help in my life. Not even 1% it's not gonna help. I have not studied something which has helped. I am in my third year, gonna complete my third year, and not even one subject, one section, except constitution to some extent, has not helped. What will I do with labor law?
Because the thing is, whatever we are learning now in law school is
That's why I
totally
told
different
medical is better.
different from the practical. Like
Yes, guys.
the way we practice in
It's
court
basically
is totally different.
5 years studying, 5 years practice, then get salary.
Don't tell this, yeah. They will think we don't earn only. We are like
We don't earn.
unemployment.
That's the fact. We don't earn only.
Shut up. You will earn in corporate sector. You will earn in litigation. also.
Lawyer.
If you're going for individual practice, you won't earn in the starting years. Who will go for individual practice? Nobody. No one will go.
That guy.
So ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗೀತು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆದರ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಹೋಮ್ ಆರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಬೆಲ್ ರೋಡ್.
No Bell Road, guys.
Because this lady is too lazy to walk.
Yeah, who walks 1 kilometer from here to Summa eat something? I think we can go here somewhere. Tasco Tasty is there. Which she
Again,
likes.
No, I like, but the thing is, one of our friend who is sitting deeply inside the mobile, he wants to go to New Bell Road for nothing.
Is the guy who wants to go to Bell Road for nothing, for no reason, because he's rich and he will he'll give party to us. He's more rich. Sure. I am the poor kid in this. I am the poorest one. That's why she's holding iPhone. I'll cut this. He thinks he gave the best counter, but he didn't.
No, leave me alone.
We are going to medical campus and this lady is calling two of my friends. How will they see you? There is one parda. See.
They saw me, guys. Mission accomplished.
They are coming. They are coming.
Mission accomplished.
Yes, guys, they are coming. Leela's mission is accomplished.
I didn't have to walk till there now.
Okay. And the thing is, I'll tell you later. The construction is going on in our college right now. The story behind this is something very different. We'll tell you some other video. What do you like about campus? Advertisement.
So guys, what I like about this campus is, look there. So in the evening times, there's a guy who's coming to hit us. But then apart from that, in the evening time, the sky, no, it looks very pretty. It looks full pinkish, orange, sunsets, right? And then during rainy season, it's drizzling, lights. Pakka climate, guys. That's the one thing I like about Ramya. That's the only thing I like about Ramya.
We all. What do you like about campus? Girls, huh?
No, hospital, medical college, hospital and
You like
Amul.
hospital?
Yeah, hospital I like,
Or
and then
patients?
Amul, that shop I like that, and Oreo milkshake I guess that.
Really, he's coming here just to see that.
He's coming here to see girls.
That's the truth. Everybody
Please don't
knows
put this
that.
in my vlog.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.